Hi students, welcome. In this video, we will understand the procedure to save the AutoCAD drawing into PDF format. So students, for that, see here, I have taken this AutoCAD drawing, okay, assembly of footstep bearing drawing I have taken to show you how to save the AutoCAD drawing in PDF format. So see here, first we can click on the print tab and save this drawing in AutoCAD, or we can press the our keyboard button Ctrl plus P to print this AutoCAD drawing in PDF format. So now I'm here selecting in this here Here, see, there are various options. From that, Microsoft Print to PDF, I am selecting, okay, or you can select this drawing to PDF also, okay. So I am here now selecting here Microsoft Print to PDF, okay. Second step is here. Now you can select here paper size. From this tab you can select A4 paper or A3 or any paper size you can select here from this tab, okay. Then click on fit to paper, okay. Then here center the plot, okay. Then see here you select window here from this tab and select the window as I am selecting here this window I have selected means the selected portion only will be appear in my print, okay, that is in my PDF, okay. So now I'm clicking here apply to layout, okay. Now I'm seeing here this my preview. See here, preview is here. I had selected that much area, so that much portion of the drawing has came in the our this print or in PDF. So I'm going back here by clicking cancel. So all the settings are done. Now I'm clicking here OK. See here, I had clicked on OK. Now I am here giving the name. You can save this file anywhere. I am clicking on here any folder. You can in any folder you can save this file, so I am giving it the name as assembly of bearing, okay. Save. This is saving now, okay. Now I'm going to do this tab, this folder only. As you can see here, I'm see here, this is the drawing which I have printed right now. See here, drawing has opened. As you can see here, this is our drawing, okay. You can see here. Now let's see the another procedure here. See, I'm going to layout. In layout tab you can see there are some drawings are in layout. In layout also you can take the PDF of this drawing from layout also. So I'm going clicking on print. Now print tab, I am now clicking here, also selecting the same PDF. Then I am selecting here the paper size. One thing is different here in this case. So here in plot area you need to select here, instead of layout I will select here extend option, okay. Extends, or you can select the window and select the window as we have done previously, okay. Fit to paper, then center the plot, apply to layout, then preview. See here, this is our drawing. Then now I am here clicking on OK and saving this drawing. Okay, giving it another name. Okay, students. So students, in this video, we have understood about the procedure of saving the AutoCAD file in PDF format. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.